back to my channel. Today we're going to be dyeing this 613 20-inch wig that I got from the HC beauty store on Amazon.com. I will leave that link in the description below if you guys are interested. The wig has 4 combs in the inside and it's a 4x4 closure. Okay, so now I'm going to take Not Your Mother's Blonde Moments shampoo just to wash the wig before I dye it to get some of the brassy color out. I will add the shampoo to a bowl of hot water and just stir it in until it's mixed like you would do the watercolor and dyeing method. And then I will sit the wig in there and let it soak for about 10 minutes. Once that is done, I'm going to take my Blue Moonlight Kiss Colors dye and just put it into this hot boiling water and stir it until the water turns blue. However, this is my second time dyeing this wig because the first time I did it, it was not the desired blue that I wanted. So I'm using my second bottle of dark blue. I should have just added both of them into the water the first time to get the desired look, but you live and you learn. So I'm gonna let the wig sit in the water for about 20 minutes. So while that's going on, I'm gonna start mixing my bleach together because we are adding highlights. Okay, so the wig is still damp, but I got it on my head and I am about to start bleaching the parts that I would like to highlight. So I'm just gonna add the bleach to these strands of hair, then I'm gonna wrap it up into the aluminum foil and I'm gonna let that sit for 10 minutes. Okay, so now that I washed the bleach out, and as you can see, it got really white again. So now I'm just gonna take my Kiss Colors semi-permanent dye in the color Cayenne and just put it on the hair, and then I'm gonna let that sit for 10 minutes. During the 10 minutes, I just worked the color through for a little bit, and once it's done, you're just gonna wash it, conditioner it, and style as desired. Just stay tuned for my next video, and you're gonna see me throw together a cute little look to go with this wig. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Till next time.